In this video, I will show you how to use TikTok jump feature for videos. First, place your phone on a tripod or another stable surface so the camera stays in exact same position throughout the recording. Next, open TikTok, then tap on the plus icon and get ready to record. You can use TikTok's built-in timer feature to set a countdown and choose when the recording should automatically stop. This makes it easier to capture the jump without touching your phone. Record your first clip and jump into the air just before the recording ends. The goal is to stop the first recording where you're still in midair. Then change your outfit, move to a different location, or make any changes you want for the transition. Record the second clip from the same camera angle. Start the recording while you are in the same jumping position and continue the motion by landing naturally. Keeping the framing and timing consistent will make the transition look seamless. After recording both clips, use TikTok's built-in editor and another video editing app to trim the clips. Cut the first clip at the moment you're in the air, then begin the second clip from the same point so the jump appears to continue smoothly in the new scene. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.